Welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn that how to go to the next scene and back to the previous screen. We use segue to go to the next screen. Right view controller in search bar and drag it to working area. Press Ctrl and drag it to the next screen and release the control. This thing is called segue. Write any identifier in it. We will use these buttons to go to the next screen and come back to the main screen. Create 2 new Swift files. Press Ctrl and drag these buttons to their respected files and release Ctrl button. Self.perform segue is used to go to the next screen. Copy this identifier and paste on the identifier. To go back to the main screen, self.dismiss is used. Got some error, let me check what is it. Oh. I am using string and forgot to put double quotes. Now application is ready to run.